How to clean quartz floors and make them shine like new. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about 5 easy ways to clean and shine your quartz floors, to keep them looking fresh, glossy, and luxurious every single day. First, always start with regular dusting. Use a microfiber mop or a soft broom to remove dust and grit that can cause tiny scratches on your quartz surface. Second, use a gentle cleaning mix, just a few drops of mild dish soap in warm water. Avoid acidic or abrasive cleaners that can dull the shine. Third, wipe spills as soon as they happen. Quartz floors resist stains, but liquids like coffee or juice can still leave marks if left too long. Fourth, mop with clean water and a soft mop, then dry immediately with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and streaks. Finally, use a quartz-safe polish or floor shiner once in a while to restore that glossy finish and enhance the natural beauty of the stone. And that's it, 5 quick and easy steps to keep your quartz floors shining bright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home care tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.